Hey everyone, happy Monday. I hope that you guys had a really nice weekend. On the agenda for today for reading, trying to keep it consistent here. I want for you guys to read for 20 minutes in your independent novel and then just work on asking some questions about your reading. You can do it either in your response notebook, or if you're using the Rhino and Write field, then you can go ahead and just do that right on Flipgrid. For writing, there's nothing for today, but you do want to make sure that you are, if not done with your draft, really close to being done with your draft. And if you're not, you may want to work on that today. No, there's nothing that you have to do. There's no lessons, but you just know that when you have writing on Wednesday, there will be a revision lesson. And so you're probably going to want to be done with your draft so that you can revise. As far as math goes, you guys have an extreme playground makeover. It is something that you will get to work on all week long, so there's no need to get it done today, but you're going to want to read through the directions. If you have any questions about it, please make sure that you reach out to me so that I can help you with that and answer any questions. I also opened up all of the vocabulary videos so that if you need a refresher on any of those geometric figures, because it's really a geometry review. If you need any help on those geometric figures, you can go right onto vocabulary for that. Finally, the last thing that I do want to share with you guys today is the Just for Fun from Thursday. Who is Ann Cook? Ann Cook is the Gerber baby on all of that Gerber baby food, that cute little smiling face, that portrait of Ann Cook. She is the Gerber baby, and so that's why her portrait is so very famous. See if you can figure out today's. Like I said, reach out to me on Teams if you guys have any questions about anything at all, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.